Check in. Available. Luggage room. Grab something to eat. Give directions. Welcome to our hotel. What can I do for you?
Hello, I would like to check in.
Alright, so what's your reservation number?
It's 4524.
Thank you, let me see. So your room isn't available yet, but you can leave your suitcase in our luggage room if you want. You can move into your room in about an hour.
Okay, thank you. Do you know a place where I can grab something to eat while I wait?
Sure, there's a really good restaurant around here. I can give you the directions if you want.
That would be very nice of you, thanks.
If you go outside, just walk right, and at the second traffic light, turn right again, and there it is.
Thank you, goodbye.
You're welcome, goodbye. Check in. Available. Luggage room. Grab something to eat. Give directions.